Welcome to ChatGenie. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to give full control to accounts with Facebook page access, ensuring a seamless setup for your ChatGenie in-app store. When setting up an in-app store, you might get an error if your Facebook account doesn't have admin permissions or if the business page needs two-factor authentication. To fix this for in-app store creation, grant full admin access to your Facebook account for the related page. This ensures your account has the needed permissions to connect and launch the in-app store smoothly. Adjusting the access levels gives your account the necessary privileges for a seamless connection during the launch. To give full control to accounts with Facebook page access, follow these simple steps. Begin by logging into your Facebook page account. Navigate to Settings and Privacy. Select Settings. Choose New Pages Experience. Locate the three dots aligned with your Facebook name and click on them. Then select Change Access Level. Proceed by clicking Next. Enable the option Allow this person to have full control. Click on Update Access button. Enter your password and click Confirm to finalize the changes. Congratulations! You have successfully adjusted your account's access level. If you need additional help or have any questions, please feel free to contact our support team. Keep yourself updated by visiting our website regularly and following us at chatgenie.ph for the latest updates and discussions.